Switching from AT&T to Visible Mobile. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to switch from AT&T to Visible. So let's get started. First, unlock your AT&T phone and visit AT&T Unlock portal and enter your phone's IMEI number. Then make sure your device is fully paid off and has no contract obligations. After that, prepare to port your number. You will need your AT&T account number, transfer PIN, and the billing zip code. After that, sign up for Visible. Go to the Visible website and select a plan. Choose either Unlimited or Visible Plus. At checkout, select Keep My Number when prompted. Then move to the next step. If you're using a physical SIM, insert it into your phone. But if you're using an eSIM, download the Visible app and follow the activation steps. When prompted, enter your AT&T account number, transfer PIN, and billing zip code. Confirm the transfer and wait for Visible to process your request. And that's how you will be able to switch from AT&T to Visible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.